you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup, he's not a problem. Really. Trust me.
The greatest Dragon Master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. Dragon Master.